Okay guys, today we're going to determine the value of this expression 6 minus 4 into 6 minus 4. Okay, 6 minus 4 here, we have here 2, and 6 minus 4 we have 2, and 2 times 2 will give us 4. Okay, this is what many people are going to do, but this expression, this method is completely wrong. So we're going to erase to take the good method. Okay, here when you have parentheses and subtraction, firstly you start with your parentheses before doing any other calculation later. Okay, we're going to solve. We have here 6 minus 4. As we said, we'll start with the parentheses. 6 minus 4, we have here 2. So the next step here, we're going to copy 6 minus with the 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. And after doing this, we have 6 minus 8, that's negative 2. So the answer for our expression here is A is equals to negative 2. So the value of this expression is negative 2.